In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ClickUp dark mode. If you've been working in ClickUp for a while, you've probably noticed that the bright white interface can feel a bit harsh on your eyes, especially if you're working late at night or in a low light environment. Switching to dark mode can make your workspace more comfortable, reduce eye strain, and for many people, it just looks cleaner and more modern. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click to turn on dark mode in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on your main workspace view, look for your avatar, which is your profile picture or initials. Depending on your version of the interface, this will usually be in the bottom left corner of the screen, but in some layouts it may appear in the top right. Take a moment to find it and then click on that avatar. When you click your avatar, a menu will open. This menu is where you can access your personal preferences and account options. From here, you want to look for the option called My Settings. In some versions of ClickUp, you might see Theme listed directly in that menu. If you see My Settings, go ahead and click that to open your settings page. If you see Theme on the menu itself, you can click that instead and jump straight to the Appearance options. Once you're on the settings page, look for the section related to appearance or theme. This is usually labeled Theme. This is where you can control how ClickUp looks. You'll see options like light, dark, and sometimes auto. To turn on dark mode, simply select dark. The interface should update almost immediately, switching your backgrounds and panels to darker tones that are easier on the eyes. If you prefer your theme to adjust automatically based on your device or system settings, choose the auto option instead. With auto selected, ClickUp will match whatever theme your operating system is using, switching between light and dark as your system changes, which can be really convenient if you already use scheduled dark mode on your computer. Once you've made your choice, there's usually nothing else you need to save. ClickUp applies the change right away. From this point on, you can enjoy working in dark mode and switch back at any time by returning to the same theme area in your settings.